Good Friday, everyone. Looking at our Upper Cumberland Federal Credit Union weather headlines. A nice stretch of weather is in store for us. There is no rain in sight. There is no extremely cold weather in sight. There's no extremely hot weather in sight. It is a little chilly this morning. I've got a hoodie on this morning, and I'm quite comfortable in the hoodie. So it is chilly out and about on this Friday. Premier Generators bringing us our level of concern. We're level 0. No weather worries for our Friday. And Clearview Closet and Blind shows us a 5-day forecast that shows you that we have no weather worries for at least the next 5 days. So mostly sunny skies. Yes, there will be clouds from time to time. We saw some of those yesterday and almost clouded up at one point, but then the sun came right back out and it was beautiful the rest of the day. And we'll see things like that for the next 5 days. Highs generally hanging out in the low 70s, and then you got overnight lows in the mid 40s. Until we get to Monday and Tuesday night, and then temperatures start warming up at night into the upper 40s, around 50. But these warm afternoons and cool nights, those are perfect conditions for creating vibrant fall colors. So we'll see how that works out. And we've had plenty of moisture for the most part around the area. There are some areas, you folks in Overton County are starting to show up on the drought monitor as being dry. Especially up around Livingston and points north. But and then some of you folks down around Ray County, Spring City, down around in that area are starting to show up as being a little bit dry. So with the dry stretch of weather coming, I think we'll all start showing up as being drier and drier over the next 5 to 10 days. So yeah, there's not anything significant in sight unless something in the tropics develops and comes our way. So Premier Generators bringing us our severe weather outlook, and we're not seeing anything for the next 5 days. And Weikert Realtors bringing us the extended outlook. Got the Bigfoot Festival coming up a week from tomorrow, which is hard to believe. But yes, the 5K is a week from this evening, and the festival is a week from tomorrow. I had frost listed on the 20th or 21st, somewhere right around in there. I've had to remove that. The models have really trended warmer with that time period. So I'm taking it off for now. We'll see. Maybe things will swing back to cooler, but right now I'm having to remove that because, and I'm going to go back to saying, I don't know when the first frost will be. There is no frost in sight. So I think this is going to be one of those years where it comes later than usual. B&H Storm Shelters bringing us our On This Day in History, October 10th, 1780. The Great Hurricane of 1780 hits Barbados and goes on to kill 20 to 30,000 people in the Caribbean. That makes it the deadliest recorded hurricane in the Atlantic. Whew, my goodness, what a difference today's preparedness makes. We've got satellites to track this stuff. Yes, today it would still be very, very bad in that part of the world, but hopefully not anything like that. 1804, famous snow hurricane occurred. Impacted areas of the northeast U.S. Hurricane Sandy did something similar. The backside of those storms have a northerly flow to them, and so sometimes you get cold air in that backside of that hurricane can turn to snow in the northern latitudes. And probably not technically a hurricane at that point, but my goodness, still a dramatic situation. And then 1846, English astronomer William Lassell discovered Triton, the largest satellite of the planet Neptune. You folks have a wonderful Friday and keep looking up for your Friday funny and even more weather information. Go to that Meteorologist Mark app or go to meteorologistsmart.com.